Being honest is one of the most important things. To start off, being honest to yourself. Unless you are honest to yourself, you can't be honest to others. And what it also does is, it helps you in accepting what the shortcomings are. You may not be a great player, may not be a great human being, but if you're willing to accept the shortcomings, you can always look to improve. You can go to people, you can ask for help, and there'll be people to guide you out. Whether it's your seniors, whether it's your parents, close friends, whoever those may be. And I always felt all these things really helped me keep moving ahead in life. Throughout being honest towards the goal. What is the goal? The goal is not to, for me it was never to score so many runs for India. For me it was always, how we'll be able to win a game. Whether you are the captain or you're not the captain. What you want is, how much you have contributed for the team to win. Then, if you become a senior player in the team, or
on after this tournament,
come here. Let's have some fun. Please come here. Come. Seriously.
You want me out there?
Yeah, come. Okay.
Hello, sir.
You want me to retire?
No, well,
Okay.
I just want to ask you.
I was hoping it was a Indian media guy, but because I can't really say if you have a brother or a son who can play for India or is a wicket keeper.
This is true.
Do you think I'm unfit?
No,
Looking at me running,
very fast.
you think I can survive till the 2019 World Cup?
Sure, yes, sure.
Then you have answered the question.
Thank you, sir.
You're forgetting something. No, I wish it was an Indian media guy because I would have asked, whether he has a son that is old enough and a wicket keeper to play. He would have said no. Then I would have said, okay, maybe a brother who can play and who's a wicket keeper. But you fired the wrong ammunition at the wrong time.
My only suggestion or advice would be, which I keep saying in all the interviews that I give, process is more important than the result. The result is a byproduct of the process. But in today's world, we are so much focused about the result that we get away from the process. So take care of the process, take care of all the small things, and eventually you'll get the desired result. We always keep complaining, oh, we should have gotten more and all of that, but it's actually the byproduct of what we have done. So if you prepare well, if we execute well, and if you're honest to ourselves, more often than not we'll get the desired result. If there's a shortcoming, it's always a learning. So all the best.
Hi guys, how are you? Thanks for logging in. As I said, I wanted to share a secret with all of you. Right from when I was a kid, I always wanted to become an artist. So I decided I've played a lot of cricket and it's time for me to take up what I really wanted to become. So I started getting into painting, and there are a few paintings that I've made for myself, and I think I'm ready for it. I want it to be my career. And I've started preparing for my first art exhibition, which is still some time, but I would like to share some of my paintings that I've made with all of you. I hope you like it. This was my first painting that I made. It's a beautiful landscape. It's something that always attracted me, nature. Let me just keep it. This is my second one. It's a future.
आपकी लाइफ का सबसे अच्छा टाइम कौन सा रहा?
सबसे अच्छा टाइम 2007 T20 वर्ल्ड कप के बाद जब हम इंडिया आए थे, तो हम लोग मेरीन ड्राइव, जो हमारा ओपन बस का जो ट्रिप था, उसमें हम लोग मेरीन ड्राइव पे खड़े थे और आगे पीछे दोनों तरफ इवन साइड्स में वो पूरा जैम पैक था, लोग गाड़ियों से बाहर आए हुए थे, एंड जिस तरीके का स्माइल था सबके फेस में, वो देख के बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. क्योंकि कितने लोग होंगे उस भीड़ में जो अपना प्लेन मिस कर रहे हो, फ्लाइट मिस किए होंगे, किनको कहीं इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफिस में जगह में जाना होगा, बट द काइंड ऑफ रिसेप्शन वी गॉट, और पूरी मेरीन ड्राइव एक तरफ से दूसरे तरफ तक जैम पैक भरी हुई थी. और दूसरा इंस्टेंस आई वुड से 2011 वर्ल्ड कप जो फाइनल्स था, उसमें जब 15-20 रन बचे हुए थे, तो जिस तरीके से वानखेड़े स्टेडियम में सारे दर्शक वंदे मातरम चैंट करना उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था. सो ये दो ऐसी मोमेंट्स थे, आई थिंक बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा उनको रेप्लिकेट करना. दोज आर द टू मोमेंट्स